About this item: applicable TV series replacement IR remote control fit for LG Smart TV, UHD TVs up 70, up 75, up 76, up 80, up 87 series, OLED TVs OLED A1 OLED A2, OLED B1 OLED B2, OLED C1, OLED C2, OLED G1, OLED G2, OLED Z2, ZX Seria, QNED Mini LED TVs QNED 90, QNED 80, QNED 85, QNED 99 series, NanoCell TVs Nano 55, Nano 75, Nano 80, Nano 85, Nano 90, Nano 99, UQ 9000, UQ 7070, UQ 7570, UQ 8000 series etc. Remote compatibility: 2 remotes in one pack, compatible with LG TV remote control MR21GA, MR22GN, etc. Exact replacement for your old or damaged remote control. Also a better backup remote for your LG TV. Shortcut buttons: the remote control is designed with 4 shortcut buttons, including Netflix, Prime Video, Disney, and LG channels. Quickly access to your favorite channels, easy to use. Use it just right out of the box, no need any setup. Just insert 2 AAA batteries and it will work well with your LG TV. Note: batteries and manual are not included. After sales service: our remote control is made of ABS material, tested to be responded to TV in 0.2 seconds and precisely remote up to 40 feet. We provide 60 days after sales service. If you have any questions about your order, please feel free to contact us directly. Thank you. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: applicable TV series replacement IR remote control fit for LG Smart TV, UHD TVs up 70, up 75, up 76, up 80, up 87 series, OLED TVs OLED A1 OLED A2, OLED B1 OLED B2, OLED C1, OLED C2, OLED G1, OLED G2, OLED Z2, ZX Seria, QNED